Hello students, in the previous video I explained about the hand tool and zoom tool. In this video I will explain about the next tool, which is called rotation tool. You can see here like rotation tool. So if you are using any other tool, just press W on your keyboard. So W is the keyboard shortcut key to activate the rotation tool. So for rotation tool, you can rotate your object which you have imported in the project and then which you have imported in the composition panel. So for example, this is here, you can see now, if you this is the right, top right anchor point. So if you move from here, you can see you can rotate from here. If you move from here, you can see you can rotate from here. Same thing like from here, from bottom, from any place you can rotate it. And one more thing, yes, you can rotate it. So I hope the one more tool is called pan behind anchor point tool. Actually we do this tool also in this video. So pan behind anchor point tool, let me show you what it is. When we rotate the object with rotation tool, you can see it's rotating around this point, this anchor point. So if we select like selection tool, and if we move from here, like if I select from here, you can see entire object will move. So what if we want to move this point? So our rotation should rotate, our object should rotate around that point. So this tool we can select pan behind anchor point tool. So you can see like we can move now this pan behind anchor point. So once you have moved it like here, now if you select rotation tool, you can see it will rotate something different like around this point. See, so now you can see it's rotating like different around this point. So this is the easy use of these two tools, and we can create, actually when we are creating composition like from scratch to the advanced level, we can create like lots of things with these two tools. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things. Thank you very much once again.